Hey guys, I'm Brian. Welcome to Ceramic Pro in Nashville. I've been here a couple times. They've worked on a few of my cars and always been super satisfied. This particular vehicle is a 2024 Spider RS from Porsche. Could not think of a better shop to take care of a full paint protection film on this vehicle. I've had a couple of performance cars in the past that I've used other shops for paint protection film and ceramic coating. Brought my last Porsche here, and the reason behind it was what I really like about Ceramic Pro Nashville is that everybody's in-house here. Everybody's one team. They're not outsourcing a particular portion of the car or particular portion of the project to other folks. So if there is an issue or any sort of customer service need, you're always dealing with the local crew here. And anytime I come by the shop, I can get something accomplished pretty quickly. So I learned the hard way in my early car buying days that even if it's a brand new vehicle, you need to get your paint corrected before you apply any finishing products on it. Getting your car completely covered in paint protection film gives me peace of mind, whether it's a quick rainstorm with a bunch of gravel washout or driving down the highway with rock chips, different things like that. So I have peace of mind knowing that every time this vehicle is washed, it's going to look like new and the paint's going to be protected like it's from the factory. I've been asked a couple times why I enjoy working with Ceramic Pro in Nashville, and it's the entire group of folks here have always been a treat to work with. I always feel like I'm getting a fair value. It's obviously a local business and they use quality products. So again, when I come in, I know who the owners are. Their staff is always treated very well, and by treating the staff well, that ensures that my vehicle is going to be taken the best possible care of. That's the reason I've chosen Ceramic Pro of Nashville, and the reason I've come back multiple times. So again, my name is Brian here at Ceramic Pro of Nashville. I brought multiple vehicles in. I've always been completely satisfied. I love supporting local businesses and knowing that when I drop off my car, I don't have to give a full-blown definition of what needs to be done. They know what to do, and they're going to do a professional job right out of the gate. I would highly recommend Ceramic Pro Nashville, and they'll treat your car just as well as they did mine.